Alright, hey guys, my name is Antonio Villarreal, and this is my CS424 Project 1 main site. Don't mind the video, this is just a placeholder for the video I'm recording right now, but as you can see the tabs on how to use the app, data use, source codes, interesting findings, but let's get into the application. So let's click application over here. And as you can see, a bar chart and a donut chart actually get loaded up as soon as the user enters the application. So both the bar graph and the donut chart are essentially the population for the United States. So as you can see, if we hover over this, we can see specific age and population data for each bar as it gets highlighted. So this one, for example, is H21. Sorry about that. H21 population 2,167,701. And this can also be done within the donor chart as well. So if we hover over any of the tabs, let's say for this one, this is age 32, the population is 2,147,592. So this can be done with any of the graphs generated within this application to see specific data as well as any of the donut charts. So let's get into semantics, how the application actually works. So the user is given two options essentially, either choose a state or the actual United States, the whole United States, and either choose an event or just the current present population without any events. Or they can do choose a country, any of these countries over here, and choose one of the events or just present population within that country. And they can choose either the group generally, so it's just consecutive ages, and like the United States paragraph I displayed over here is just consecutive ages like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Or they can group by ages of 10, so 0 through 9, 10 to 19, 20 to 29, and they can do these with all these selections. So selection 2 and selection 3, they can also do that, which will display other bar graphs and donut charts where they can compare with the original bar graph and donut charts up here. So let's get into actual examples. So let's say the user wants to see population for Connecticut and general population. If they click on general, they can see a Connecticut bar graph over here. They can see population data for it, and if you can highlight over, you can see specific information about it, as well as the donut chart. You can highlight information about it. The user can also see, let's say, Connecticut. They can see present population and group by age. They can group by age over here and see specific data about each age, as well as the donut chart. So let's say if you want to see a comparison between countries with all three of these, so you can do Spain, you can do Super Bowl XX, and you can do general, and this will highlight the whole thing. And as you can see here, some of it gets highlighted red. So this is actually the representation of where of the people that were actually conscious of the event that are still living now. So people age 29 and up and now were conscious of Super Bowl XX. So uh, currently the population of age 29 in Spain is actually 613,798, and you can see that the actual population that remembers Super Bowl XX in Spain is actually quite a big chunk. So let's say we want to do a comparison. You can do the same thing over here. You can do United Kingdom, you can do Super Bowl XX, and you do general. Bar graph loads up. You see data actually gets highlighted red to see the population that remembers the events, and then you can do the same thing with the last chart. You can do South Korea. You can do Super Bowl XX general, and data gets loaded up right there. And you can also do this by grouping the age as well for specific events. So you can do again Spain, you can do Super Bowl XX, group by age, so group by age, and you see data still highlighted and see specific information about it by hovering over it. And again, you can do this by United Kingdom, Super Bowl XX, group by age, and you can see specific data about it. So that is pretty much my whole demo. If you guys want to play around with the actual application, this is the main website to actually go to the main application. Otherwise, you want to hit up this site over here, CS424 Project 1, main site, dash dioxys69.io, hello world.html to actually look at the application. But otherwise, this is it. This is pretty much it. Thanks for watching.